Assalamualaikum my dear students, I am your teacher Ms. Gohar and once again I welcome you all in the virtual learning program. So let's have a quick revision as we have done letter C, O and A. Now it's time to introduce letter L. Yes, L is for ladybug and L is for lips. Now, let's learn some more vocabulary from English book. Open up your book, page number 21. You can see a standing line L. L for lion. L is for lamp. L is for lamb. And L is for lollipop. And L is for leaf. Now let's start coloring. Take a green color and start coloring in the leaf. Firstly, you have to do the coloring in the outer border. Dear students, I am doing just in the outer line because I need to use this book again and again. Now turn to the next page. You can see this lorry is bringing a lion to the zoo. Then you can see this is a lorry, a truck, it's also called a lorry, and this is a lion and it's in a cage with the standing lines. As you can see, trace the L to complete the cage. Take a pencil and put it in the red dot and start tracing the standing line that become letter L. You can do it again and again like this. Now take the pencil again and make letter L. Make a standing line, come down slowly, join the dots, make L. Again put at the dot, make standing line L. You need to do this very neat and clean. Now it's time for home task. Do page number 23 in your book. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.